Hey everybody, and here's 3 short clips of other drivers doing strange things. So on this one, my student's driving. We've just left a set of red lights, building our speed up, and in the distance we're in a 30 zone right away, and you can see there it's 18, 17, and it's slowly going up because on the left and right we've got a rail station and a college. So it's quite busy, but as it opens up, it's putting a foot down, the student, and you can see clearly there it goes into 2 lanes, and we're in the right lane to go ahead. The white car behind us decides to go in the left lane. I'm thinking they're going to go left only at that point because it's left only, and the Undertakers, and they don't go left, they go straight on and cut up in front of us at the same time. And you can see we were building our speed up quite nice at that point, so there's no need for it. Bad driving. Give the student a bit of time to build a bit of speed up. Don't be under so much of a rush to get past people, and definitely don't undertake like that. So the second clip is where I'm driving a roundabout, waiting to pull out a busy roundabout. I put my foot down, get away quite quickly, and pay attention to the left. The blue car pulls out pretty early. That's fine, but look at this white van pulls right in front of me. I'm slow right down from us. I think it was 21 miles per hour down to about 13. It does flash his lights once, say sorry about that, but really, he shouldn't have pulled out, especially with there being a van heavy stuff in it. It causes me to brake hard to avoid driving to the back of them. So just be watching out for silly things like this. Let's have a look at the final clip. And here we go. And the final one is an interesting one. I'm driving again, and losing a little bit of light ahead of us. The lights are on red at a roundabout, and the car in front of me slowing down for the lights. And it happens to be a taxi. Now, I'm not trying to single them out, but you often wonder what's going to happen here. So while I'm waiting, traffic goes past, taxi pulls out on a red light that's been on red for a while and stops the next one. Now you tell me, did the taxi deliberately pull out, or did he think there's no lights there? You know, there's definitely lights there. You know, they're driving around, so they're not stupid. So in my opinion, they deliberately went for a red light to get to the next fare, to save self time. Leave your opinion below, leave comments. If you like the videos, click on like. Take care.